YouTube channel, and today I'm here with another video of making DIY jewelry. And today I'm here with these pendants. These are butterflies. You all know butterflies look so beautiful, and they are very good when making DIY jewelry. You can see these, they are golden, a little bit big, as you can see from here. I think I need to get my ruler to really get the centimeters, because I'm confused on what are those on my board, on my bead design board. So let me get my own. I'll tell you how many centimeters they are. Okay, so yeah, these are my my butterflies, and they are around 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. As you can see, this is how big they are. 3 centimeters. And I have 2 chains, and I'm really confused on which one to use on them. I have this big chain. Okay, let me see which size can I use. No, this is so tall. I think this is okay. I'm measuring from the second line. Okay, I think this can be better, not as tall as such. This is it. I think I'll use this. This is it. Okay, that is it. And then now I will get it out. Hope you guys are seeing well. I don't know, my light is a bit disturbing, but I think it's okay. I don't know. What can I do? Okay, let's get it from there. I think you can all see what's going on. Yeah, I think it's my phone is private. My phone is okay. Then I'll have to separate from here. As you can see, these chains are soft, not so hard, and I will just open it from here, and get it out. Okay. As I told you, I have 2 chains, and I'm confused on which one to use. All right, this is the bigger chain. Okay, the golden chain, and I will measure the other one as well. This is the bigger size. And then I have this one. You know, some people want big chains, and others want small chains. You know, guys, sometimes I need to get a part-time job which can help me accumulate some money. That's why I'm trying out this DIY jewelry, and maybe I can get some small money from them. So let me measure for you this other chain. It's not so small, it's not so big. Okay, yeah, I will measure from the same line, our second line. Yeah, because some people don't want it so long. Some people want it long, so I will break it off from here. Okay, yeah. And at times we don't need to use so long chain, because we might be using too much, and you might not get what you really want. If it's business, at least you need to use the moderate, not so big, not so long, not so short, you know. Yeah, so I need to separate it from here. Yeah, from here. Okay, here we go. And before I put on our pendant, let me first put on the accessories. What can I use? Here there is one size I want to use, kind of big, that kind of looks like our chain, because the other one doesn't look like the chain I have. So the gold I want is inside, mixed with some other colors. I'll pour it all here so that I'll choose what I like. So this is what I'm going to do. Hope you guys are seeing. with this one we don't have much to do because already we have our chains. We only need to put the locks at the end. Okay, so I'll get the gold in here. Yeah, at least this matches the gold I have. Some gold ends are, some look like yellow, the gold yellow, the normal gold like this, and the rose gold. So I will put this one at the end. Okay, as you can see, and I want to put the lock on here, this side. Where is the lock? Where is the lock? What is that? All right, I'll get one lock from in here and place it here. Okay, and I will close this. I'll do the same the other side. I'll get one chain and put it on this side as well. And this one, this side, it needs a small extension chain, which I don't know if I have it right now, but I'm going to check and I see if I have it, because some people might need their chains longer. Let me get it. The gold chain. Yeah, I think I still have one from here. Yeah. Okay. I have two. I need one more, which I'll use on the other big chain. Okay. But okay, this one is not as the same. The gold is different. This is yellowish and this is the normal gold. So it's okay. This is for illustration. I'll change it later when I find the other one. So I'll add this side, I'll add this, okay? And I need to close it. As I told you before, guys, this is for extension. Some people might want their chain longer than what I've done, okay? So they will maybe make it longer in their chests or whatever. Okay, I'm done with this one, okay? Let me cover also our bigger chain. So guys, we are going to use these two to see which one matches the butterfly better, the bigger chain or the smaller chain. So you guys will help me in the comment section and tell me which is better. So we are going to do the same this side. We will put in our chain and this and one of the locks here. Hope all of you know how the looks look like for the jewelry. That's the look. Yeah, and let me cover up this side. Yeah. Okay, we need to cover it well because sometimes the look might get out. Yeah, I think it's looked well. And then on the other side, we are going to do the same. Get one golden small chain. Okay, you can see the size, guys, the size I want to use. I will open it up, put this one as well, our extension chain, small chain, put it inside and put it on the other side of our chain. Yeah, here. Yeah, and then lock it up so well. Yeah, and then this is our chain, not so long and not so small. You guys can see. I'll show you on the. So we are going to close it up. Let me first close it up for starters. Here I'll close it up. Yeah, this is our extension chain, and this as well. So you guys are going to help me choose which chain matches it better. Okay, pretend like you're a customer, you went to buy a chain, a butterfly chain. So you might need it big chain or a smaller chain. Okay, this is the smaller chain. All right, now let's get our butterfly here and put on. Okay, this is our first butterfly, and I will put it on the, let me see, on the big chain. Let me see how it will match it. You guys, I'm confused. I think this one needs a bigger, this needs it big, so I'll use this one on that. Let me see. I'll use this one here. So guys, this is the small chain I'm going to put on the butterfly. Oh, still I got a disturbance somewhere. So I'll get this butterfly and put it on the small chain right here. I think this is small still, but okay. I think this is small still, but we'll use it for illustration. I'll correct it later. Okay. I put the butterfly on the smaller chain. Okay. I'm also going to put it on the bigger chain. This is our bigger chain. So on the bigger chain, I need to get a bigger. I think I need this size now, because so I'll open our round. I will open it up. Put the butterfly in. As you can see, the butterfly is inside. Then I'll get our chain, the bigger chain, and place in the butterfly. Wait a minute. I'll get a bigger chain. How to put it this side round. This side like this. Put the chain in, and then I need to press here. I can use another way, but I got something up, so I have no time. Okay, so I'm going to show you the results, and you people can choose which is better, the smaller chain or the bigger chain. Okay, let me get my display. Show you guys. First is the smaller chain, and I show you how it would look like. All right, this is just for display. So this is our butterfly on the smaller chain. I'm going to show you the butterfly still on the bigger chain, and then you guys will choose where it fits better. Okay, and now this is our butterfly on the bigger. I think it fits better on the bigger chain. What do you think? Put your comment down there, down below, and you guys tell me what you think. Is it better off on the bigger chain, or on our smaller chain? This is the small one. Let me put it together as well. This is the small one. It's the small chain. What do you people think? Do you like it big or small? Depends on what you want, but I think on my side I like it big. The small one is good as well. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video as I show you how to make DIY jewelries. I'll need to put it proper here because looks like it's not proper, but I have something that came up, so I have no time for now. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.